When thinking about making videos on YouTube or continuing your YouTube journey, it's easy to start wondering how much of a reward hitting it big on a video would pay. Or it's just good to know so you can plan and be realistic about your YouTube journey and how much time and effort you want to put into it. I know when I was starting out and trying to grow my gaming channel, I always wondered how much money could be made if I made a popular video. Which is why in this video, I'm showing you how much money 10 of my videos made when they hit 100,000 views. And that's without sponsorship or affiliate money or anything like that. And I'm also going to cover what can influence how much money you actually make on those videos so we can maximize how much you're gonna make. The first thing to know is that the amount you get paid on YouTube changes all the time, even for the same amount of views, and this is dependent on a whole bunch of different things. Fundamentally, your core audience demographic and what your videos are about determines the amount advertisers will pay. Gaming videos like mine are kind of in the middle of the road, but finance videos, for example, based around investment, can generate really high amounts of ad revenue. Along with audience demographic, the audience geography actually matters a lot as well. And generally, views from wealthier countries just pay more. Obviously, you can't really control where videos are viewed from, apart from maybe deciding on your language and subtitles, but it's good to know. Next up are the seasonal influences. Primarily, Christmas and January are the big ones. As Christmas approaches in November and December, advertisers pay more and our revenue goes up. Then in January, you get a lull. So if you're being pragmatic, you could target November and December to post a bunch of videos. Then alongside this, we also have just the global economic condition. If there's less money floating around with advertisers, we earn less. My early videos were at the start of COVID, and comparing that to post-COVID, there's a huge difference. This can make the creator economy pretty scary because you don't have control over a lot of these factors. Then the final thing that can impact the amount you earn on a video is actually the content of the video and the title. If you have swearing or anything deemed risque, or worse still, something that can get you a copyright strike, this will also hurt your revenue since fewer advertisers will want to match with channels such as that. Okay, so broadly, they were all the different things that can impact the amount of ad revenue you get on your videos. But now we're going to look at real world numbers from my gaming channel. So I did choose 10 random videos that got 100,000 views or more, but looked at them specifically at the 100,000 views mark. On average for the 10 videos chosen, I earned £276.66, which is $335.59 per video. But the range of the revenue was actually huge. The revenue ranged from £118.12, which is $143.28, to an insane £435.63, which is nearly $530. The larger side of this revenue was earned post-COVID when the world economic situation was a little better, but it was also when I hit 100,000 views quicker. The videos that took many months or even over a year to get to the 100,000 view mark earned a lot less. Another thing to note is that a couple of the lowest earners in this sample also included the word free in the title, which I believe led to YouTube and their algorithms to deem adverts on the video less valuable. So there's something to be aware of. So tell me, were these numbers surprising or kind of what you expected? Let me know down in the comments. And now that we're finished up here, why don't you check out how much a YouTube gaming channel can make at 1,000 subscribers and then 10,000 subscribers?